No more.
Finally, we are digging into the death pile today. No more procrastinating. We are going to jump in and deal with it once and for all.
Hey, honey, wanna go to the casino?
Back to the death pile. See, this is why my death pile is the way it is. Every time I go to work on it, something comes up, something bigger and better. I am ready now to seriously dig into it and
Hey, honey, you want to run to Starbucks?
no, absolutely not. No. I've already told everybody that I'm going to be working on my death pile. No way. Last time I promise. We are really getting ready to get to work here. What do I have in my death pile that is still listable? I'm going to bring you guys along with me while I process everything that's in there, either get it listed or get it donated. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through one tote. I'll show you guys everything that's in it. I will go back through and determine what is still worth listing. If it's not worth listing anymore, it's going to go into a donation box and it's out of here. Today, we're going to start with the very first tote. So, oh my. Okay, the first item, one size fits all. No idea what something like that would be bringing these days. Continuing on, I used to sell a lot of plush. I have no idea why I would have this dress of sorts. I wonder if that's vintage. I remember having this listed a long time ago. What else is in here? Here's something that you used to be able to get a decent amount of money out of. I don't know if things are bringing anything anymore. Ooh, that is one loud sweater. Extra small. This probably isn't worth messing with. Look at that's for like an elf or something. I remember having that listed at one time. My favorite, a pair of micro jeans. I wonder if that fit my scrawny no butt having mannequin. Here's an old t-shirt. I don't know if Judy Blue is still selling or not. I probably got these back when Lululemon was a thing. Here is another vintage t-shirt, Chicago Bulls. Again, that's something that was really, really hot for quite a while. A belt by Fossil, leather belt. It's kind of curly because it's been there a while. North Face. Now there's another brand that has really gone down in value, and I never thought North Face was all that interesting anyway. I've never really been impressed with anything North Face. It's Chico's, I can tell already. This is Susan Graver, size 3X. This would have been something I got on our 99-cent day that we no longer have around here. They don't do it anymore. No. I don't know what they do with stuff now that doesn't sell, which is a lot of it. But they don't do 99-cent. They don't give you any kind of discount anymore. Unless you spend $20 and then they give you like 10% or something insulting like that. Oh my goodness. We have calculators. This was, for a while, we sold on, wow, they're smart. We sold on Amazon, and that would have been something we sold on Amazon and still have some. A little Pokemon. So this was 1998. These at one time were about anything Pokemon was pretty desirable. Whether it still is or not, don't know. A large bag of Thomas the Train. There's another calculator. Okay, these are probably the ugliest shoes on the planet. Like, not even this, just this pair, like this brand. That was aggressive. I'm sure it's not worth a ton of money. 1970s right here. Somebody's probably gonna have a use for that. And last, some Blinko glass candle holders. And that's everything that was in this tote. So I'm going to research all of this stuff. I will list anything here that is worth listing now. And then anything that is not, I'm going to decide if it's something I'm going to donate or throw away or whatever. Once I get this tote processed, I'm going to drag another one out. I've probably got 40 or so anyway. Not sure how long this is going to take me to do, but yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.